if we could give one piece of advice and something that I feel like I share, and I know I've heard you share this before, I've learned some of this from you actually, is hey, let's break that down. Like, when you say integrate, what exactly do you want to integrate? Like, there's so much in a NetSuite and there's so much in a HubSpot. And sometimes we don't slow down enough to go, okay, you know what? It's actually the contact data and it's the opportunity data and it's the company data. And yes, I have maybe attachments that I want to move back and forth, or I have transactions or maybe goals or certain, whatever that is. And if you're able to break that down, almost call it from an object perspective, right? If we can break down those objects, and then I think about some of the other things that you share a little bit, Justine, are like frequency, like how often do we want to send the information back and forth? Which one is going to be that system of record? I don't know that folks usually think through, hey, if we're connecting NetSuite and HubSpot, like if there's one piece that says something and another piece says something in another system, like which one takes over? Which one is that source of truth? Any other insights there? Anything else you would add that's like a big, hey, if I was going to walk through this today, what would I do? Or what are some of the first things I would do?
I think another thing that is often overseen is what is the ultimate business goal we're trying to achieve by integrating those systems. So we're just jumping ahead, asking for integration and just having this like wonderful idea that everything is going to be shown on every single platform. But at the end of the day, what is the business goal that we have behind that integration? And I think it's almost revert engineering the entire process. At the end of the day, what type of operation will this integration support? If it's from an accounting perspective, then let's make sure that the invoicing process and the quoting process is strong and the accounting team is seeing exactly what they need to get their job done. And so we remove some big gear, the process gets seamless, and working integration project from a business standpoint is also so valuable. And as technical folks, we rarely take time to pause and think this through.